Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Sneaker Pirates featuring my official sneaker partner, Amaya. What's up, girlie?
What's Gucci?
Now, if you're not familiar with Sneaker Pirates, I'll leave the link for their website up in the description. But basically, it's a sneaker subscription service where you pay one price and you get brand new sneakers in the mail every month. Now, they have two tiers. One is $40, another one is $80, but it's a complete mystery. Now, if you watch my last video, last time Amaya got a set of Jordan 1s, I got a set of Air Maxes. We both came up. This time, let's see what we got on deck. All right, so Amaya, you want to go first or you want me to go first?
I'll go first.
All right. Amaya, you go first. Handle your business.
You ready? All right, I'm going to need you to open this for me because, you know.
Shout out to the little unboxing knife. Rah. Here you go. All right, hold up. Let the hype build up. Let the hype build up. Let the hype build up. Okay. Now, last time you won. All right, last time you got the Jordan 1s, I got the Air Max. I consider you the winner. Let's see what we got on deck today. Here we go. Birdman hands clapping. Here we go.
Oh my
This is the Birdman hands. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, shell top Adidas.
Okay.
Shell top Adidas. Now I'm old school. All right, I used to rock with Run DMC. Shell top Adidas are classics.
Yes.
All right, let me shut up. Am I handle your business?
Yes.
Handle your business.
Shush.
All right. Yo, hold up. Do you see the gold trim? Do you see the gold trim? All right, my bad. All right, I'm sorry. All right, I'm sorry. All right, let me fall back.
Fall back.
All right. I'm all the way back.
All the way back.
All right.
Look at these beauties. This gold. It's just,
What did that say? Superstar on the side? Oh, you're a superstar now. Okay, you doing the most.
Know what I'm saying?
I ain't never seen you act like this. This is beyond me. Superstar shell top Adidas. Let's go. All right, walk him through the shoe.
So we have this nice shell top. It's black. First of all, you can never go wrong when you go black.
Never.
Okay? Never, Joe.
I ain't never seen you act like this.
We got some labeling on the bottom of the shoe.
Okay, little Adidas branding. Okay, I like that.
It's just a classic. You cannot go wrong.
Shell top Adidas. Get a close up of the shell. No, bring it in so they can see the shell. Oh yes, I like that.
Oh yes.
I like that.
Now look, you can look at the tongue too. Nice gold tongue.
Okay, a little Adidas branding on the tongue. Okay. Anything on the inside?
Oh yes. Oh.
Okay. What does that say?
What we working with?
Ortholite? Ortholite? Okay, I don't care. I don't care what it says. They look dope. I don't know what that means. All right, let's see the other shoe. All right, let me get this out your way. Oh, yes. Shell top Adidas.
Yes.
These are the classics. Now, I actually bought a set of these maybe about 3 months ago. I paid, I think, $80 for these. So, do the math for yourself. This is the $40 tier. You got a set of $80 Adidas shell tops, black classics. I'm gonna let you rock my Kango if you want. You know what I'm saying? If you want to go old school.
Ready?
If you want to go old school, I got the Kango for you if you need that.
Yo, the fit. Hold on. You can see a nice little white kind of pattern on it.
Little speculating, white speculating.
Okay.
I like these.
Me too.
All right, so let's see. Shell top. You came up.
I came up.
Now, last time you got the Jordan 1s. Yes. I got the Air Max. I think you won that round of Sneaker Pirates.
We'll see this.
My turn. All right, here we go now. Here we go. Let me grab the little unboxing knife one more time. Shout out to Batman. Rah. Okay. Now, Saucony's. Now, you might be too young for these. You might be too young for us. Do you know what Saucony's are?
No.
All right, good. You definitely too young. Saucony's. Now, y'all older cats, y'all know Saucony's spot belts. Here we go. Woo! Check these out. Now, if you watch my sneaker videos, y'all already know this is my style. This is old school. Now, Amaya, I know you're not really feeling these. You're not really feeling. Amaya's like,
What are those?
Amaya's like, I don't want to mess up your video, but I just got one question. What are those right there? Nah, but I'm old school. Saucony's. All right, let me be quiet for a second and let y'all see what we got here. I don't know how to be quiet though. Who am I kidding?
Obviously.
Who am I kidding? Let me do the smell test on these. You want to get a smell? Smell like brand new kicks. All right, check out the bottom. Got a nice semi-transparent sole. This is a little creamy sole on the side.
I'm not even gonna hold you. I like the laces.
The laces is cool. They definitely cool.
Yeah.
This is definitely a nubuck, not suede, but like a nubuck kind of material. Your classic Saucony 3 dots. All right. Now, back in the days, people didn't know the difference between spot builts and Sauconys. Real sneakerheads know. These are running shoes, as you can see by that little hill in the front. You know what I'm saying? Little hill. Got some Saucony branding on the side. Let's take it to the backs. Boom. I would say my favorite part about these is just the classic look. Now, I'll throw these on with some black sweatpants, little white t-shirt, maybe a black fitted hat. What you think? Amaya, you're not really feeling these though. Amaya's not really feeling these. Keep it real. Just keep it real. You're not really feeling these. You're not really feeling these. That's cool.
Like, that's cool. We both got black sneakers though. We came up with the come up.
Both of us, put it like this. Both of us came up on some old school sneakers. All right, this is definitely an old school flow. The shell tops is, I think these might even be more old school than the Sauconys. But a lot of the new generation, they don't know about these. Y'all old school heads that be watching my channel, y'all know about Sauconys and spot builts. I'm definitely feeling these. Now, these are also the $40 tier. All right, so I would say, who do you think won this round of Sneaker Pirates? Do you think I won? No. I think honestly, I think I actually came up on these, but this might be a tie. These are both old school sneakers, basically black sneakers. Basically, both of us will rock these to great adventures. True. Maybe rock these to the mall when we just dressing down, but still looking fresh.
But the score is still 2-1, so.
All right, so even as a tie, so Amaya, you still winning right now in the Sneaker Pirates battle. That's cool. Come back next month, y'all. We got another episode of Sneaker Pirates. Right now, the score is, I would say, hold up, because you won the first round. This one is a tie. So 1-0. This is a tie.
No.
Oh, you want to say
it's 2-1.
2-1. All right, cool.
That's what it is. I'll be trying to change the score system
2-1.
now.
All right, so the score right now is 2-1. I don't know. I was absent that day of math, but Amaya's winning right now. Come back next month. We got another episode of Sneaker Pirates.
Those are crazy.
These is lit though.
I know.
I would rock these literally right now.
I'd wear those with some black jeans, a hoodie.
These, I'm definitely gonna throw on some sweatpants. Would you say you were a hoodie?
Yeah.
You rocking a hoodie with these? Okay.
Yes, that's Fright Fest season, boo.
Oh, that's right. All right, so save these for Fright Fest. Matter of fact, yeah, and Sauconys, these are gonna be mad comfortable. I might rock these to Fright Fest too.
Now you want to be me.
I know. I'm riding. Anyway, this is Floss and Amaya. Stay tuned. Next month, we got another episode of Sneaker Pirates. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this.